going to make fluffy pancakes. How to make fluffy pancake. Most of the time, before, when I was learning how to make fluffy pancake, it turned out flat and the taste is just not so good. I'll show you how to make fluffy pancake. First, we have 1.5 flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar. You can use also brown if you want, whatever you wish. You can also use powdered sugar. This is 2.5 butter, and it was melted. 1 whole egg, beaten properly. We have to beat it properly, so I have here ready. And we have one tablespoon of what do you call this, vinegar. It's our organic vinegar. You can use whatever kind of vinegar you want. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So here they are all white. All we have to do is to mix all dry ingredients first. So we have to shift all we have to do is to shift all the dry ingredients all together. I put them in one container, so then it can go all the way, all at once. We don't need to use so many things. And this one, sugar, we need to shift them all together. And this is still clean, so we can use this for the wet ingredients. All the wet ingredients. This is the whole egg, the butter, drops of vanilla, and 1 cup of milk. You can estimate the milk. First, what I do first is to estimate it in half. I just pour half of it. Right. And then the sugar, the vinegar should be the last. Let's mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So as we can see, it is not and here's the half. So all in all, we use all the 1 whole cup of milk. It has to be warm. You have to check the temperature of the milk. It has to be warm. Mixing the milk in the butter. If it is too drooly, we have to add at least 1/2 cup of flour. You need to strain it. And mix it. this is the perfect mixture of making pancake. You can also add mashed banana, but then if it is too watery, you can estimate the flour to add in, and make sure this is how the mixture should be. The last part is the vinegar. There will be a reaction because there is baking soda in here, so you can see it turned out fluffy. As you mix, the bubbles start to pop up. All we have to do is to cover with cling wrap and leave it for 5 or 3 minutes. And the bubbles started to come out, to pop out. Cover with cling wrap and leave in the counter in a warm area for 3 or 5 minutes. So let's heat up the pan, brush a little bit of the butter. Take off the cling wrap. I use this to scoop. You can do whatever size you want. How big it is, how small it is. You can see it started to bubble on top. But once started, you have to lower down the heat into 6. Flip it. There you go. If you want to turn more brown, of a golden brown, add more of the butter. The butter is the key why the pancakes are brown, golden brown. Beautiful. We have to check, make sure we don't burn the pancake. Okay, this is ready. Let's take another batch. Let's try more butter. See, the butter is brown on that side. That makes the pancake brown, golden brown. To always check at the bottom if it is brown and the bubbles pop up on top, we need to flip it just right. I just still set the induction cooker into 6 degrees. Alright. You can slide the pancake around the pan. Let all the butter absorb in it. And this will be done. As you can see, there is an edge. It's too like fluffy, and when you push it down, it bounces back. Now let's see if it is really fluffy. It is very soft. There is a thick layer of it. And it's so nice to drop with the honey. Or you can top with butter. It's fluffy. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.